Hey there, welcome back to iGashap YouTube channel, and this video is about scams. So basically I got scammed in Delhi and it can happen anywhere in India. So as you can see, this is my Redmi 4X and it got a patch on the display. In my past video you have seen that my display was broken, like the glass was shattered, but there was no patch on the display. The thing is that I gave it to the local repair person and he got it repaired from Karol Bagh in cheap to save his profits. So what's the scam here? Basically they will charge you as much as they can and they will get it repaired in cheap as possible. And this is the shop that I got it repaired from. And these are the payment screenshots of the display and tempered glass. Basically he got it repaired from someone he already knows who does the repairs, but he messed up. Now the thing is, I have went several times to his shop and he never acknowledges the mistake. Now this thing can happen anywhere in India. For example, Karol Bagh. This is my friend's Redmi K50i and its display was also shattered, so we got it fixed from Karol Bagh. The repair person torn the display cable and then charged us for a duplicate display. Now what can I do about this? I will go to his shop until he returns my money or fixes it completely. One thing that I surely will do is leave a Google review so he cannot scam more people. Now for the solution, you can order parts online and then check them, and if they work you can get it fixed from a local market in 50 to 100 rupees. And don't buy parts from them. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.